All right. So today, Generation Us, kind of, sort of, Alyssa Guadagni will be with us, her fourth visit. Alyssa's just awesome. Love her. She's like maybe one of the closest surrogate daughters that we have in our family. And so she is a doctoral student, second year, starting her third year here pretty quick in University of Georgia, doctoral student. So super, super smart, just getting ready to join me here. I don't see her face, but I will in a second. So we're going to talk about that path. And Alyssa's kind of a veteran of this whole thing. So she actually came up with a thought on the book, The Four Agreements. And I loved that so much. And I just did a book review on our seven books, inspirational books, talking to my screen right now, Alyssa. So just thanks for joining me. Nice to see you. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. So, but we're in pre-show right now, so it doesn't matter. It's cool. Just see where your settings are. And I can see your face, but I can't hear you. So we'll wait here. But the Four Agreements, I'm going to come up with some stuff to talk and weave into her journey into the next layer of higher ed. And for any of you parents out there, or you students that are thinking about doing the same kind of route, this is something you're going to want to pay attention to. And I'm going to let Alyssa kind of play with her computer while she's doing her thing, and I'll just keep talking. Last week, Mike Shingles was here, Dr. Mike Shingles, my orthopedic surgeon. We talked about knee issues, and I put together a whole bunch of video because of my knee issues with my arthritis. It's just way better, and it's getting better, and I'm avoiding having knee replacement for as long as possible. And so get a chance to check that one out. There's going to be, I don't know, 4 minutes worth of exercise video that I cut and edited up. And then things that are working for me personally that I'm doing a lot and almost every day. So we're going to go with that and see what happens. Check your settings there, Alyssa, on your.
Can you hear me now?
I sure can.
You can?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
My computer just takes a minute to warm up. Good. How are you?
I'm good. So you heard what I was talking about?
Yeah.
Prepping. So the way it's working now with the video is I'll cut this all up into little pieces, but this intro section is just kind of like just extra stuff for people to watch from behind the scenes. So how do you like our idea about weaving in the Four Agreements into our conversation about your journey into higher ed? We can call it higher, double. You're like a double agent.
Yeah.
Okay. You feeling good?
Yeah.
Let me get this minimized. I'm going to move you over here.
I like your background.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah. All right. So I got to go here. All this good tech stuff. Okay. Your fourth visit.
Is it my fourth? Wow.
Yes. So great. All right. We don't need to prep because, we talk like almost every day. So it's like, let's just rock with this thing. We'll get going here and shake and bake. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Let's do it. I got to move this a little bit. Here we go.